You need 3 plastic pieces like this, and the blue one should be around 60 by 40 mm. White piece is just like 20 by 70 mm. All the plastic thickness must be 10 mm or more. And you need 5 mm for bolts. Bolt length is 50 mm. But if you want bigger than this, it's up to you. Then you need 2 pipes just like this, and the pipe surface must be smooth, because when you slide the camera on it, if the surface is rough, then your video will be shaky. And then you need a phone mount and a mounting bolt. Main pipe is 6 mm in thickness. Because of that, you need to drill 2 6 mm holes just like this on white piece of plastic. Length between the 2 holes is 35 mm. You don't need to follow up these diameters, first get the idea and do it yourself at any length or any size. And then drill 2 holes on blue plastic piece just like this. Hole must be more than 6.1 mm. Because blue piece is sliding on the 2 pipes. I just inserted 2 metal piece of pipes, but it's optional. After that, make 5 mm threaded 4 screw holes for stand. Just like this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like it, just like it. If you don't, then comment your thing in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later from another video.